Look at all the snow that we got. Look at the rally over here. My dad's over here cleaning. Man. ¿Cuánto hinchas piensas?
¿Eh?
¿Cuánto hinchas piensas? Dijeron que ya es 8.
8, sí, de 8 días.
So we think it was like 8 inches. Look at this X4, man. The other day I came in, I couldn't even like come all the way up, so I just stood there. Alright, I'm gonna start cleaning it with the little broom, taking all the thingies off. The back of the Lancer's already coming off. Look over there, it's so bright. Like I need sunglasses over here.
Con lo rojo la pintura, solo con los pelitos nada más.
Look, this is how clean they got.
Con lo rojo raya todo.
¿Esto quieres que lo bote para acá?
Sí, tíralo ahí.
And there's my brother Civic. I thought you said to throw it over there. Look at my brother Civic. Look at that big old chunk.
Look at this one.
What? On the shovel? Just fucking shovel, man. Here, you just stab it in the snow, man. We use the SX4. I wish the SX4 was all-wheel drive, but it's not. You can see my tire. Well, I think this is the Dover X's tires. This is the whole time I wanted to come in because I had a little chocolate thing in the back. Hey, it hooked up to my phone, so it's playing Post Malone. Where's the chocolate thing? I left in the back. Should be in the back. Where is it? Let's see. I know it's a mess, dude. I haven't had a chance to clean it. Wait. Good job, big boy. Looking good, big boy. Good boy hitting it. Look at the rally over there. Right, look at it. It's like a mountain. Alright, I'm gonna help Dad shovel all this, man. Look, guys, I'm in the streets. They clean the roads and stuff. Brandon right there, my dad cleaning. What's up, Brandon? Look at the van. This is our Odyssey. Oh, shoot. Oh, man, it's a big truck coming. What the heck? The truck came through. I don't even know if it got hit by someone. You know, people are stupid and they drive and they freaking hit you. Only at these times I wish I had a truck. We're going to try to clear out a little path. for all the cars to come out. Look at that 6.4, man.
I mean, lo hago si quieres. You got it.
Look how deep in the Ryler is in the snow. Like at least 8 inches. Hey, look at the little dog bill. But too bad I'm not gonna clean it. I'm just gonna let it chill there because it's not my daily. This S6.4 is my daily, so of course I had to get it cleaned up and stuff because I'm about to head to the gym shortly. What's up, big boy? Hey. Getting a workout in?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get my phone. I'm about to take a couple Snapchats of the car. Aw. Cause look, I got my new customizable plate. Look. Lit S6.4. I'm coming, I'm gonna show you. Oh, wait. I'm gonna hide in the bag. Watch you like die. What does it say? She did. There's no J. Look at the Suzuki, man. These girls look so nice, look lit. That's like, ah, it's gonna be so funny. I'm coming. Flip it over, huh? Flip it over.
Lit SX4.
Lit. What do you think? Lit. It is lit.
You told me you were just gonna get SX4.
I thought about it, but I was like, it's a little too cheesy, man. So I'm just gonna add lit.
That makes it even more cheesier.
What do you think, though? I told you to put a line.
A line.
Hey, now they got my new lit plates. Nobody's selling it a little bit. But for now, we gotta still keep cleaning stuff. Look at the big mountain over there, man. Flip it over.
Is it big T? Lit SX4?
Yeah. What do you think?
It's lit. No, I'm just playing. I don't know, bro. I mean, it's cool, I guess. SX4, that's cool. You custom made it, Joe?
Yeah.
How much was it?
To customize, I don't know, $10. $10 a letter, no?
Yeah.
It's like $10 a letter.
Not bad. Wait, why would that be bad?
I
thought it was gonna have like a
he paid for Virginia too. 10, 20,
no.
30, 40.
It was kind of
50,
expensive.
60,
There's
70,
another Virginia.
80.
There's two more Virginias.
Virginia's for hosers.
Why would Brendan be like, that's bad?
Ooh, that's like 4. It actually is gonna be lit. Okay, I gotta make sure I locked it. Alright, good.
She wouldn't be a client if it wasn't.
Yeah, I know. And she would have been my client. Brandon, you have to back up. I can't fit in it.
How did you
I can't fit in there. Back up, man. I can't fit in the snow.
How did you like talk to her? Were you like, hi?
No, I'm just like
driveway clean.
No, I was like, hey, would you like me to clean your driveway? And she's like, yeah.
Nah,
Alright, that's good.
You know me. Now every time I go.
And then I chopped her fingers in the Were you there? Were you there when it happened?
Huh?
Were you there when it happened? I closed her thingy. What? What? We're leaving right now, dog. I'm gonna go eat. Go, big dog. Alright, so we're gonna go out and eat after we worked. Let's go, man. Look at that. Look at the right there, dude. Wait, I gotta take. Nice. Nice. Man, I really wish I had my rally art.
I'm in my suit. I just wish you didn't wear here.
Let's try it down, dude. I'm gonna copyright it. At least pasta or something. There, dude. I'll pass him and we'll freaking race, dude.
I'm gonna pass him right now.
Don't pass him, man. You're in the Civic, man. He's going.
I can take it. I do it when he doesn't take
Man, just turn right, man. Alright, picked up the Chick-fil-A. Brandon picked up his where'd the other milkshake go, Brandon?
Okay.
Oh no.
Come back.
Okay, well, yeah, I might eat some fries while we're driving over there. They have the best fries. Let me show you the fries. No, I got 2 sandwiches. Of course, I'm bulking. That's my excuse. And delicious fries. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys when I get home.
You don't think they're the best fries?
Yeah. Guys, look, I told him. Look, I told him that he said one of the best fries, right? They're not that best fries. This is my list of the fries that are the best. Number 3 is McDonald's fries. They're not that best, but that's for the number 3 because they're addictive. So they're not my favorite, but yeah, they're number 3 because I enjoy them. Number 2, Chick-fil-A fries. They're good. Don't get me wrong, they're good. Brandon loves them. He thinks it's number 1 or whatever because they're consistent. I think for me, number 1 for me is Burger King. The Burger King fries. The Burger King fries are so good. If you guys haven't tried the Burger King fries, try them. Definitely recommend the fries. They're the best. They're the best. But let me know what fries you guys think. Would you guys fries? Okay, let me know what you guys think is the best fries. I think Burger King is the best fries.